In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Facebook Ads Manager showing 0 results, all in just 5 minutes. If you've been having trouble seeing data in your Ads Manager, this video will help you get things back on track. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Facebook Ads Manager and hit enter. The top result should lead you directly to Facebook's Ads Manager page. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on that. Now you'll be prompted to log in, enter your email and password for your Facebook account. If you've configured any two-factor authentication, ensure you complete that step too. Once you've entered your login details, simply click Log In. With that done, you'll be brought to the campaigns dashboard. This is where all your current campaigns are visible, or at least they should be. If your dashboard is reflecting 0 results, fear not, because we're about to solve this issue. One common reason for seeing 0 results is the date setting. By default, Facebook sets the date to yesterday. What you want to do is adjust this to either today or to the specific date range you're looking to analyze. To do this, locate the date filter at the top of your dashboard. Clicking on it will allow you to choose your desired date range. If after changing the date you're still not seeing results, the next step is to check the attribution settings. Head up to the search bar and type in attribution setting. Once you locate it, you will see a drop-down menu titled Select Values. Click on this drop-down and opt for the 7-day click option. Don't forget to click Apply to save your changes. Selecting these options will trigger the dashboard to reload. You might need to wait a couple of seconds for the changes to take effect. Once it's done, this adjustment should address the 0 results issue effectively. You should now be able to see your campaign data properly displayed on the dashboard. Remember that these settings might need to be adjusted regularly, especially if you often switch between campaigns or work across multiple accounts. Checking your date range and attribution settings should become part of your routine when you start seeing 0 results. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the 0 results issue in Facebook Ads Manager effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your digital marketing tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.